Hello everyone. It was brought to my attention that during one part of the first lesson of Dance of the Candy Fairy, I'm playing one note that is different from most transcriptions of the song. So I just wanted to share with you what that is in case you want to go with the most common transcription of the piece. It's in the right hand. Let me just play up to that part. So after this, the F, G sharp, and D, I was going to an F, G, A sharp, and C sharp, whereas most transcriptions of the song go to an E with the thumb instead of that F. This is what it sounds like with the F, and this is what it sounds like with the E. So let me play that part with both the left and right hand, both ways, so that you can hear the difference and decide for yourself which way you prefer. Here is the way that I taught it in lesson 1. And here is the way that it's found in most transcriptions. Again, it's the difference between playing F, G, A sharp, C sharp, or E, G, A sharp, C sharp. The choice is yours.